Welcome to Fortosi, pronounced as Fortosi, not as Fortosi. We will be reviewing the general screen arrangement to get you used to the flow of the product. Once you open Fortosi, you will see three main panes and a status line below the center pane. The small arrows allow you to collapse or expand these panes. The top pane contains the pull-down menu with your most frequently used items. You can hover on an icon to learn its function. The pane on the left is the staging list. This is where the loadables are placed when selected. Think of this like your driveway where you will lay out your items before packing them into the trunk of your car. I'll go ahead and add some loadables to the staging list and then clear them. At the top, you will see two very important icons, the staging view icon and the loading view icon. Depending on what is set current will determine what is visible in the center pane and the right pane. You can also use the shortcut key lowercase s to quickly switch between the views. The staging view in the center pane is where you will import your 3D IFC 2x3 model for selecting loadables, what we call the items in the model. When staging view is current, the right pane will be the filter pane, where you will filter item loadables in the staging view. When you switch to the loading view, you will see the 3D view of the trailers, or as we call them, loads, in the center pane. The right pane will be the loads list containing the trailers and a list of loadables. You will notice that there is a tutorial that appears. If you turn off this tutorial, you can go into Help and select the Restore the Tutorial. At the very bottom of the center pane, you will have a status line that will give you feedback for some of the tasks being performed. There are three locations for weight feedback. At the bottom of the staging list, you have the weight of loadables that are being selected. At the top of the staging list, you have the weight of loadables that are on the staging list. And in the loading view, at the top of the load data, you have the capacity of the trailer and the total weight of the items on the trailer. Fortosi will use the unit set by your operating system, which is currently only Windows 10 and up. Units for the operating system are found in the Control Panel, View by Category, Clock and Region, Number Formats, Additional Settings, and then Measurement System. To change the units on the fly, which will affect even the report outputs, we have added under the Preference pull-down, Units.